Hi students, in today's lecture, we are going to learn about company meeting, a new topic, its introduction, board meeting and kinds. First, company meetings, its introduction. Being an artificial entity, a company has to function through its director and the director expresses the will of the company through the resolution passed by the majority of member at duly concerned meeting. Particularly speaking, these members are real owner of the companies. Therefore, these member shareholders are more interested in the activities which are taking place in the company. However, it is not particularly possible for a shareholder to have a direct involvement in the functioning of a company. Therefore, they have to write to send either representative on the board and also influence the decision making procedure in the company. Up to same extent, this is possible through general meeting. In general meeting, all the member of companies have to write, participate. There are some other meetings which are the required to be conducted in the company form of organization. Now, what is the meaning by company? A meeting may be defined as coming together or gathering or assembly of more than two or more person for transform for trans for transacting any lawful business. Company meetings may Company meetings play a virtual role in the administration of a company affairs. In a company, there are instances where members are supposed to come together periodically for the purpose of discussing major issues relating of the company and arrive at a conclusion with the consent of each other. Company meetings are required to be conver, con, required to be convened and conducted in the accordance with the provision of Companies Act and rule and regulation made there under. Kinds of meetings. Company meeting may be classified in the manner in the following uh, things. First is meeting of shareholders. The different types of meeting of shareholder are as follows. First one is a statutory meeting. Second one is the annual general meeting. Third one, the extraordinary meeting. Last one, class meeting. Director meetings. In director meetings, board meeting, meeting of the committee of board, creditors meeting, meeting of debenture holder, meeting of creditor for the purpose other than winding up, meeting of the creditors for winding up, and last one is meeting of contributors in winding up procedure. These are the some meetings which is conducted by in the company. Now, board meeting. What is meant by board meeting? Board meeting may be defined as a formal meeting of the board of director of an organization held usually at definite intervals to consider policy issues and major problems, preside over by the chairperson of the organization or his or her representative. It must meet a quorum requirement and deliberation must be recorded in the minutes. Under the doctrines of collective responsibility, all directors are bound by its resolution. The management of company is vested in the board of director and the director have to act at board meeting. The board of director will have a function by taking decision collectively through passing resolution made by in the meeting of the board in certain exceptional situation as provided by the act. The resolution may be passed by circulation among the director. Company therefore has to function through its board of director, and all such act and function be exercised by the board must be concordant with the act provision, the articles of the resolution passed by the company in general meeting. The above mentioned arrangement ensure that the collective wisdom of board is available to the company on important decision, and it further ensure that the decisions are taken after due deliberations and discussions among the director. Hence, board meetings are very important for running of the company so as to constitute valid decision of a board meeting. It is necessary that such meeting must been con- have been convened by proper authority, by proper notice, with a proper quorum, and under the chairmanship of a proper person. An act and the article provide rules and regulations for holding and conducting board meetings. Uh, Frequency of board meeting. As per section 173, subsection 1, every company shall hold its first meeting of the board of director within 30 days of the date of incorporation, and thereafter hold minimum 4 meetings of board of director every year in such manner that not more than 120 days shall intervenes between two consecutive meetings of the board. However, the central government has a power to attend any class of companies from these provisions. The central government may also restrict that this is a provision should be made applicable to certain companies subject to such exceptional modification or conditions. One person company. Section 173, subsection 5. A company, a one person company shall company and dormant company shall be deemed to have complied with the provision of this section if at least one meeting of board of director has been conducted in each half of calendar year, and the gap between two meetings is not less than 90 days, provided that noting content in this subsection and the section 174 shall apply to one person company in which there is only one director on its board of directors. Virtue meeting. Section 173, subsection 2. The participation of director in a meeting of board may be either in person or through video conferencing or other audio-visual means as may be prescribed, which are capable of recording or re or reconciling the participation of the director and of recording and sponsoring procedure, procedure proceeding of such meeting along with date and time, provided that the central government may notification specially such matter which shall not be defiled with a with in a meeting through video conferencing or other audiovisual means, provided further that where there is a quorum in a meeting through physical presence of director, any other director may participated through video conferencing or other audio visual means in such meeting on any matter specified under the first provision. Notice of meeting. Section 173, subsection 3. A meeting of board shall be called by given not less than 7 days notice in writing to every director at his address registered with a company, and such notice shall be sent by hand delivery or by post or by electronic means, provided that the meeting of board may be called at shorter notice to transact urgent business subject to the condition that at least one independent director, if any, shall be presented at meeting. Provided further that in case of absence of independent director from such a meeting of board, decision taken at such meeting shall be circulated to the director and shall be final only on ratification only on ratification thereof by at least one independent director if any. Failure to give a notice. Every offence of company whose duty is to give notice under this section and who fail to do so shall be liable a penalty of rupees 25,000. It has been laid for certain cases that notice sent by fax is sufficient, but notice over telephone cannot be considered as valid. It has been also suggested by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India through its Secretarial Standard 1, means SS1, made effective from 13th December 2001, that the notice may be sent by email or any other electronic mode, but beside that these, if a particular mode of service has been specified by the director, then the notice is required to be sent by that mode only. These are the failure to give a notice. In this failure, this offense is made by whom is a penalty of rupees 25,000. Thank you.